Hello everyone. Welcome to this step-by-step guide to know how we can update the test data for the required test case. So step 1, you can log into the application using given username and password. Once you are successfully logged into the application, you can view this dashboard. Then you can navigate to this Run Test Case. Click on Demo. Click Choose Environment. Finally, you can view the modules which are subscribed for you. You can just pick one module. I just want to execute the test case. For recruitment, then probably you can see all these are the test cases which are there for the recruiting module. You can quickly download the test data. Once you have downloaded the test data, you can just open this test data file. Then you can view this whatever the test cases are there for the recruitment. You can view all the test cases in the column A and corresponding required column in column B onwards. Here we have provided some mapping for the test cases depending on their functional area. So for example, this offer management, we have given some color code is there, and we have mentioned some ranges over there. So based on that, based on the required field for this offer management, that color code get highlighted if you search for the offer management. So it is in blue color when you scroll to the right, whatever are the required field for this offer management test cases, those are highlighted in a blue. So when you are trying to execute the test cases for offer management, you will only fill the mandatory fields, means the highlighted one with the same color. That's how we can quickly find out which test data is required for which test case. I hope you understand this one. Then in a case when you want to fill multiple test data for a single test case. Just take an example for this candidate management test case. Test case like external candidate apply on requisition. So I just want to run this test case for the 5-time data creation. So what you are supposed to do is in the iteration you can choose one, and in the sub-iteration you can choose multiple test data for a single test case, can be added using the iteration and sub-iteration approach. And make sure whenever you are trying to run any test case, make sure that all the mandatory fields should be filled. And if you want some other fields to be added to this particular functional area, you can just add range from which sale to which sale you want that particular fee to be highlighted. That's how this mapping will help you to identify which test column you are supposed to fill in order to execute your required test case. We are providing these services. Thank you for watching.